Is your Windows 10 PC running slow, freezing, or showing strange errors? Don't worry, sometimes the problem is inside your Windows registry. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to clean the Windows 10 registry safely without damaging your system. Stay with me till the end because I'll also share a bonus tip to make your PC even faster. Hi everyone, welcome back to channel. If you are new here, I make videos on PC tricks, Windows optimization, and tutorials that make your computer faster and smarter. So if you want more tips like this, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. Step 1. Always backup. First rule number 1. Always create a backup before touching the registry. Here's how. Press Windows plus R, type regedit, and hit enter. The registry editor will open. Click on File, Export. Select All and save the backup file somewhere safe. Now, if anything goes wrong, you can restore your system with just one click. Step 2. Using built-in Windows tools. Windows itself gives you some built-in ways to clean unnecessary registry files. Disk Cleanup tool. Search for Disk Cleanup in Start menu. Select your Windows drive, C. Tick unnecessary files like temp, cache, logs. Click OK. This doesn't directly touch registry, but it clears a lot of junk linked with it. SFC/Scan Now command. Open command prompt as administrator. Type SFC/Scan Now and press enter. This scans and repairs corrupted system files that are connected with the registry. Step 3. Bonus tip for speed boost. Okay, here's the bonus tip. Disable unnecessary startup programs. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. Disable the apps you don't need at startup. This doesn't just clean registry indirectly, it makes your PC boot much faster. So that's how you can safely clean and optimize your Windows 10 registry in 2025. Quick recap. Always back up first, use built-in tools. In my next video, I'll show you how to optimize Windows 10 for gaming and FPS boost. So make sure you don't miss it. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with your friends who want a faster PC. Drop a comment if you face any issue. I reply to every single one of you.